Hi guys. So I know this is late, but I just wanted to come on really quick and say I appreciate each and every single one of you guys so much. As most of you guys know, I hit 100K last week, and I'm beyond humbled and grateful to have such amazing and strong supporters. Never did I think back in 2015 that sitting on my bedroom floor, making videos, holding women accountable for their actions, and speaking on my taboo and unorthodox point of view on dating and relationships would ever lead me here. I started speaking on these topics as a way to clear my mind because I'm a massive overthinker. I wasn't looking for any kind of massive views or virality or subscribers, notoriety, nothing. I just put them up thinking, I hope it helps someone. And when my videos started going viral and world star and different radio stations and started picking them up, I knew then that the masses actually cared about what I had to say. Because I've always been a very vocal and unapologetic person in my messages, delivery, and tonality. I've garnered a lot of love and also a lot of hate, and I'm fine with both. Then I took a few years off to live life and focus on building myself. And when I came back, it was like I never left. I was welcomed back with so many open arms and immense amounts of love and support. And I appreciate you guys for that. For all those that support me, I promise to continue delivering and serving you nothing but the highest quality content. For all those who can't stand me, I'll continue holding you accountable, and I will continue calling you out, and I'll continue being authentic as I do it unapologetically, because good people shouldn't have to suffer at the hands of broken ones. I'm not for everyone, and I don't desire to be. I won't tame myself just to make people feel comfortable, because when you people please, you lose a part of yourself in the process. That's why if you go on my channel, at the top of the banner, it says my thoughts may offend you. I've always said that if I could change at least one person's life, then I fulfilled my life's purpose here on earth, and I'm beyond happy and humbled to say that I've surpassed my goal of just one person. I'm honored to have so many of you sit in front of your screens every single time I drop a video to watch and listen to me. You guys are the reason I continue making videos, and I love you so much. So with that being said, until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.